What's up, YouTube? What's up, stock market family? This is not financial advice. This is just my personal opinion. This video is on Bned, B-N-E-D stock, Barnes and Noble. Not gonna tell you that the stock's gonna squeeze and go to Pluto and to the moon, but today it did pop 20 something percent. 22%, 22.33%. 3 o'clock today. At the end of the day, just a huge volume coming in on the stock, around the 20 million shares, just like it did a week ago. So if you haven't been watching the stock, it has been playing around this 50 cents level since May 21st. And on that day, you could have bought the stock at 54 cents. The very next day, it went up 300% to $1.16. So I think a lot of people FOMO'd in, got into the stock around there because I've been getting a ton of questions and people have been wanting me to cover the stock, but I've been telling people there's really not much going on with it if there's no news and the closer that we get to earnings. Well, apparently that's what happened today. They have released preliminary, unaudited financial results. A couple of those being the 2024 gap, 1.567 million compared to 1.543 million the prior year. I'm not going to go through all of these, but they all seem to be better except for the EBITDA. I think I'm not sure, but it's approximately 45 million compared to 8 million. But these numbers, I think, are somewhat better than they were projected to be. So that might be why we've got the 20% pop. But also it could just be a massive amount of buyers coming into this stock because the options chain is wild. I'm not going to pretend to know everything that's going on with this stock, but I had it on here. I believe I lost it, but I think next month, around June 20th is when they will finish their financial report, from what I read briefly. And if that is good news, then this stock could pop back again. Remember that it is in trouble right now and it is close to being delisted. And just like other stocks that are going through the same thing, they run into a issue with getting delisted because they are under the dollar. So it has shot up to the dollar last week on volume and speculation. I think a lot of this is speculation, but again, if these earnings are good, if this report is good, this stock could shoot back up to where it needs to be, well above $1 probably, because it has just been getting destroyed. And it's been destroyed all the way down to 19 cents, and it's been just going, it's heavily volatile, so be careful. Not financial advice, this is just my opinion, guys. I see the stock coming back down to the 50 cents range. And it could go lower. So if you're looking to get in, that would be where I would probably be getting in, if not at a cheaper price. But again, it's not going to be very far from this report, this financial report coming out. And if it's good, the stock could see new highs, new 52-week highs, possibly hundreds of percents from here. Would not be far-fetched for the stock. So you could be looking at very nice gains, picking this stock up around 50 cents, 40 cents, anything cheaper than that. Just be on the lookout for Barnes and Noble. Again, people have been asking me, cover the stock, talk about it, but I'm not going to talk about it unless there's news out. So go look at the new financial news that came out about the Bned, the company's existence, second lien lenders. From what I've read, I'm not going to act like I'm professional on this particular company because I have not been following it, but it looks like things could be turning around. Also, huge for this company is they are opening stores left and right. Almost, I'd have to say probably 3 or 4 different stores from what little bit of research I did that they are opening. Not really sure of any other companies that are opening stores right now. Most of them are closing stores, so that could be a huge thing for Barnes and Noble. And like I said, I don't know everything about this company. There could be some very positive news coming out very soon for the stock, for it to get this huge volatility spike here, volume shooting back up above 70 cents. Again, I see it coming down. It's already down after hours, almost 4% back to 60 cents. So probably coming back to 50 cents around there. If you're looking at getting in this tomorrow, it could spike again. There could be news next week. Who knows? Anything is possible, but it looks like the support level is around 50 cents, 54 up to 90, up to $1, back down to around the 60 cents, back up to 79 cents, back down to 56, and then what we did today, which was basically the same thing, 54 cents all the way up to 75, 71 cents, and now coming back down. So, not financial advice. Be on the lookout for Barnes and Noble. Could be a little pump here, could be some nice gains, could be potential for a long-term hold. Possibilities with the stock are there. Take advantage of the market when the market gives you time to. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Get the video out there, especially for the Barnes & Noble shareholders out there. They need to know what's going on if they're not watching the stock, or if you're just on the lookout, because I really wasn't even thinking about this company, but it seems to be following with the other meme plays, so could be a potential play for you.